Everybody is blessed when they come into meditation. Only the pure in heart will come into meditation. So those people who are coming into meditation practice are the pure in heart, and they are all blessed. We are all blessed by meditation that we do, and we have to pass on the teaching of the meditation to everybody else so that they also become blessed. But only the pure souls will come to you, not impure souls. So we don't know when an impure soul will become a pure soul, in how many lifetimes. But when it happens, the pure soul always seeks meditation. Impure souls, they don't seek meditation. You see, Kauravas, they don't seek Krishna. Only Pandavas seek Krishna. Even if when Krishna asks some 5 villages from Kauravas, they don't give them because they are impure. But Pandavas, they have martyred their whole lives to Krishna. So the whole story of Mahabharata is impure souls versus pure souls versus meditation. Krishna represents meditation. Kauravas represent impure souls. And Pandavas represent pure souls. So all Pandavas, they seek Krishna's presence. All pure souls, they seek meditation's practice. Krishna's presence means practice of meditation. Krishna is the concept. Is the concept of meditation. The concept of meditation, Bhagavad Gita says to Arjuna, "Hey Arjun, you do meditate." Yogi Bhava Arjuna. Like all rivers naturally drift to ocean, all pure souls naturally drift to meditation. You are like Pandavas. That's why you could come to a thing like Krishna. Krishna is meditation. Krishna is not a personality. Krishna is the concept. Okay, Pandavas are not personalities. They are pure souls. They are concepts. Kauravas are not personalities. They are concepts. So through Mahabharata, through the creation of these personalities, Vedavyasa has described the whole scenery. What is an impure soul? What is a pure soul? What is meditation? The whole author is Vedavyasa. See, some characters, whenever you write a story, you take something from the real characters and write a story. It will be a mixture. You can't find the same type of personality there. It will be changed by the writer. They will add some flute to the fellow. They will do many things. But the concept is important. The personalities are not important. What is the concept of Krishna? Meditation is the concept of Krishna. What is the concept of Pandavas? Pure souls. What is the concept of Kauravas? Impure souls. That's all. That is the concept. So, I came into meditation 40 years back because I am a pure soul. All pure souls naturally, they want meditation. And they will get meditation wherever they are, howsoever they are. If you are a Pandava, you will always get your Krishna. If you are a Kaurava, you never want a Krishna. Even though he is by your side, you don't want him. But Pandavas always want Krishna. Pandavas are surrendered to Krishna. So pure souls are surrendered to meditation. This is Mahabharata. This is Vedavyasa's teaching. When he wrote Mahabharata, he wanted to spread meditation all over the universe, cosmos. Why he wrote that book? Epic book. Impure souls always give trouble to pure souls. Unending troubles. And pure souls always go through those troubles. And finally, they are the victorious ones. They become victorious because of meditation, because of the help of Krishna. If Krishna were not there, they would not have been victorious. Krishna sees to it that they become victorious. So meditation gives us victory in our life.